Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious fruit bowl. First, let's talk about selecting the perfect fruits. You'll want to choose a good mix of colors and textures, perhaps 3 to 5 different types. Think about what's in season for the freshest and most flavorful options. For example, berries in summer or citrus in winter. This initial step is crucial for a vibrant and tasty fruit bowl that everyone will enjoy. Now that you've chosen your fruits, it's time for preparation. Always wash everything thoroughly under cool, running water to remove any dirt or pesticides. Then, carefully remove any unwanted parts like stems from berries or seeds from melons. Cut your fruits into uniform, bite-sized pieces. This makes it much easier and more enjoyable to eat, ensuring every spoonful is a perfect mix of flavors and textures. With your fruits prepped, let's assemble the bowl. Choose a large, visually appealing bowl to really highlight your colorful creation. Start by layering some of the firmer fruits at the bottom, like melon or pineapple, then add softer ones on top. Gently toss everything together to ensure an even distribution of all the delicious fruits. This layering and mixing creates a beautiful presentation and a delightful eating experience. To elevate your fruit bowl, consider some simple enhancements. A squeeze of fresh lime or lemon juice can brighten the flavors and prevent browning. For a touch of elegance, garnish with a few fresh mint leaves or a sprinkle of shredded coconut. Serve your fruit bowl immediately for peak freshness, or chill it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to an hour before serving. Enjoy your refreshing and healthy creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.